the noise in the background, to be honest. It's the family, unfortunately, but yeah, I just had to do the cookup for y'all, show y'all how I'd make a beat. So I'm gonna start with the sample, cause in FL Mobile I usually use samples, and like this for example, this one sounds amazing. Okay, yeah, okay. It's an amazing sample. I'm gonna just copy and paste it here and here, and I think I'll just combine them all. Oh, I can't combine them. How can I not combine them? Okay, so you hear that, right? I'm gonna use my end of the world drum kit. Okay, I'm gonna use this one, this hat. You hear that? And then it's gonna keep looping. Let me just do this so that you know, like, it's easier for me as well. I'm gonna just do copy and paste so that you know I can so that I can also see it, because I want to add like some flavor onto it as well, you know, like I want to add that spice, if you know what I'm saying. Okay, so I'm gonna use my drum kit, the end of the world drum kit. It's free, by the way, guys. Okay, let me just do this. Actually, it's unnecessary. See, I don't want it to keep going like like it's really annoying, to be honest. Just wanted it to do that once and then it just goes back to the normal. Now I'm gonna add a snare from my astronaut drum kit. It's also out, guys. And by the way, to get the drum kits, you can go to the description and click the link join my free mailing list, and you get these for free as well as 3 free beats. I'm gonna just raise up the volume, cause yeah, and I'm gonna just stretch it. You hear that now? That's power. Okay, so one thing I do, guys, is I keep adding like a lot of channels, because I don't like everything on one channel. It just doesn't look neat. Even though this one looks like busier, but I don't like the other way, because like everything's just all over the place. And by the way, these are my sample packs, guys. Just so you guys can see the sample packs, and you know, like, I want to help you guys out, and you guys can see what I use, and you can check out my beats. And this is what I use to make beats. I make them using FL Mobile and sometimes FL Studio on the laptop. But yeah, this is mobile. Okay, boom, boom. Okay, I wanted to like hit more, so I'm gonna put some parametric EQ. I'm not sure if you should, guys, to be honest, but cause my brother told me you should soft clip it, like, but that's only on the computer. So I just like put the gain up a little, like by 2 decibels. Okay, let me just move these guys so that. gonna add another one here. Oh guys, one thing I wanna do to the hats, I wanna humanize them. So I'm gonna like, let me just check if it's recording. Yeah. Okay, I wanna, like the velocity, I wanna make it like feel human, not just like cause it's like super like so fake, you feel me? So I'm gonna make it like hear this. Hear this guys. You hear the difference, like this is just it's in your face. It's in your face. So I prefer this one to be honest. Just humanizing my hats. Okay, yeah. Then add another one. Then I'm like boom boom, you know, I'm gonna make it hit. But then like let's add the 808 now guys. For the 808 I usually add audio clip, then I'm gonna add like the spins or something. I just got the spins last week by the way guys. It's a free 808. Oof, this is nasty guys. I was looking for the spins but I found this. Yeah. Like this is the spins 808 guys. You can download it through see if you check out producer grind and just search on Google like producer grind spins 808 and you're gonna get it. Like you download it like by itself, it's just its own file, and like everyone in the music industry is using this one, bro, trust me. Hey, you hear that? I hope you hear that. I hope you hear that like big time. Let's make it loud. Then I add another one here. Okay guys, and sorry if the audio's been bad guys, to be honest. I'm so sorry. Thing is, you see, I'm forced to record through the earphones, and yeah, my phone's microphone's messed up. So yeah, guys. Then I'm gonna just copy and paste, obviously. Let's just like have some like variance. I don't know what you guys would say to be honest, but like a change. Like the 808, I'm gonna pitch it up here. I think I'm gonna do this. Paste it here, and I'm gonna just shorten it. Then it's gonna be like, yeah, like here. But I want it to be like up. Yeah, you hear that now? Hear that? That's fire. Okay, just making sure that you guys can hear. Okay. Okay, guys, I made a mistake. So this is what I'm gonna do. Okay. do this like. Then I'm gonna do. And I just fade it out. This is just to fade it out, by the way. That's it, guys. Literally, that's it. Like, it's just a simple way of cooking up a dope beat. You don't need any fancy, schmancy things. But yeah, this is the beat, guys. We just made it. I don't know how much time we took, to be honest. We took. Is it even recording? Oh, it is, yeah. Oh my gosh, I was about to die, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna add my tag, my producer tag. Yachty on the track. Okay. Let's check if I can add any perks. I mean, thingies, yeah. I feel like we need a perk, guys, to be honest. Like a okay, guys, that's it. Literally it. I'm gonna actually name it Charles Manson, to be honest. Is it Charles Mason? Charles Mason, 120 BPM, tagged. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching the video. I'ma post this beat as its own. I'm gonna post it individually onto YouTube, make a video. I'm gonna post it on SoundCloud. I think I'm gonna even get it onto like iTunes, Spotify for y'all. And yeah, if you wanna hear more, see more videos from me, let me know. Let me know what you wanna see. And yep, peace out. That's all, guys. Literally.